Hello and welcome dear students. Today we are going to learn the method variable separable form. By using this method we can find solution of a given differential equation. This is called variable separable form method. In this method we separate the variables and then integrate and we can find solution. So here how it is. Consider a differential equation of this type. Differential equation of first order and first degree. Suppose dy by dx is equal to f1x divided by f2y. f1x is the function of x, f2y is the function of y. How to solve this differential equation? First we separate the variables. We write dy with function of y and dx with function of x. So we can write this as f2y into dy is equal to f1x into dx by taking cross multiplication. Here variables are separated, that is dy with function of y and dx with function of x. This equation is said to be in variable separable form. Here variables are separated, dx with terms containing x and dy with terms containing y. After this, after separation of variables, we are integrating both sides. Integration of f2y dy is equal to integration f1x dx. And this is nothing but solution of given differential equation. After integrating, we get solution of given differential equation 1. So note that integration of f2y dy is equal to integration f1x dx plus c is nothing but solution of given differential equation 1. See, some problems depends upon this. So first example, solve dy by dx is equal to 1 plus y square divided by 1 plus x square. Solve this differential equation means we have to find solution of this differential equation. We know what is solution. Solution means relation between the variables x and y which satisfy given differential equation. So by using method variable separable form, first we separate the variables. So by cross multiplication, here we can write dy, take 1 plus y square on left side, 1 plus y square goes in denominator, and dx on right side goes to numerator, dx divided by 1 plus x square. And see, here variables are separated, dy with function of y, dx with function of x. Here note that always keep dx and dy in numerator, don't keep in denominator. If you put in denominator, that is meaningless. So always you have to put dx dy in numerator. See, here variables are separated. After separating the variables, we have to integrate. On integrating both sides, dy divided by 1 plus y square is equal to integration dx divided by 1 plus x square. And we know integration of 1 upon 1 plus y square dy is tan inverse y is equal to integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square dx is tan inverse x plus c is the constant of integration, and thus we get solution. This is called solution of given differential equation. If I differentiate this, again we get given differential equation. So this is solution of given differential equation. Continue. Second problem, solve log dy by dx is equal to 2x plus 3y. So here term containing log is given. So first step we have to take here exponential on both sides, e to the power log in bracket dy by dx is equal to e to the power 2x plus 3y. Note that exponential log always cancel. When we have to cancel the log, we have to take exponential on both sides. Base size e to the power log cancel, and we get here dy by dx. Right side e to the power 2x plus 3y can be written e to the power 2x into e to the power 3y. Base same, sum up indices. And now separate the variables. Take here e to the power 3y on left side. So plus 3y becomes minus 3y dy. Right side e to the power 2x and take dx on right side. So here variables are separated, dy with function of y, dx with function of x, and then we are integrating both sides. Integration e to the power minus 3y dy is equal to integration e to the power 2x dx. We know integration same, divide by coefficient of y, that is minus 3, is equal to integration same, divide by coefficient 2 plus c, and thus we can write 1 by 2 into e to the power 2x minus sign becomes plus 1 by 3 e to the power minus 3y and plus c as it is equal to 0. So which is the required solution of given differential equation. Continue third problem. Solve y minus x dy by dx is equal to 0. First we separate the variables. So we can write y equal to x dy by dx. Then take dx on left side, x goes in denominator, right side dy, and this y goes in denominator. So this is variable separable form. After that we are integrating both sides. Integration dx upon x, integration dy upon y. Only integration of 1 upon x is log x, integration of 1 upon y dy is log y, plus take here constant of integration as log c. Note that whenever log is there, log must be in each term, then you take constant as log c. Also you can take simply constant as c, but for our simplicity, for our convenience, whenever log is there in each term, add plus log c as constant of integration. So it is equal to, by property log y plus log c, we can write log c into y, and therefore we get log x equal to log cy. We can cancel log on both sides and we get here x equal to cy, which is the required solution of given differential equation. Continue next problem. Solve sec square x into tan y dx plus sec square y into tan x dy is equal to 0. First we have to separate the variables. For that we write sec square x tan y dx. We take second term on right side, so minus sec square y into tan x dy. Dx on left side, so taking terms containing x on left side, so left side is sec square x. Take tan x on left side, goes in denominator into dx. Take tan y on right side, so minus sec square y divided by tan y into dy. So here variables are separated. Next step, integrating both sides. Integration sec square x divided by tan x dx is equal to minus and outside integration sec square y divided by tan y dy. We know integration, we know formula. Whenever numerator is the derivative of denominator, integration is log of denominator. Our formula is, use this formula, integration f dash x divided by f of x dx. So integration nothing but log fx plus c. Apply this formula. Numerator is derivative of denominator, so integration is log of denominator, log fx plus c. So by using this formula, integration nothing but log of denominator, log of tan x is equal to minus, similarly integration log of denominator means log of tan y, plus take constant as log c. So we can write this as log of tan x plus log of tan y is equal to log c. Apply here property log a plus log b, that is equal to log ab. So we can write here log of tan x into tan y is equal to log c. Cancelling log on both sides and we get tan x into tan y is equal to c, and which is the required solution of given differential equation. Next problem, solve dy by dx is equal to minus k, where k is a constant. So this can be written dy is equal to minus k. Take dx on right side and variables are separated here. K is constant, integrating both sides. Integration of dy minus k constant, integration of dx. We know integration of dy means integration of 1 dy, that is y, minus k constant. Integration of dx means integration of 1 dx, that is x, plus take c as constant of integration, and therefore y plus kx is equal to c, which is the required solution of a given differential equation. Okay, we'll stop here.